Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for stopping by my channel today and watching my video. For today's video, I'll be sharing some new dies that I received from Scrap Diva Designs. And this is her information here for her website and store and Instagram and YouTube. So this is Erica's shop, and she has so many cute new dies. And I'll just go ahead and get started on the ones that she sent. So she sent me this die here, which creates a round shaker memorydex card, and then it's got some other little accessory pieces. So I did use this one. So I have a sample for you on that one. And then she sent me this really cute star bow, and I used this one as well. And she sent me these I love her word dies, and so this one is really cute. This one says, beach hair, don't care, sunshine, sun, you are bright, and sparkle. So I used one of the word dies from that set too. And this one here is part of her mermaid dies. So this one says rainbow, kisses, mermazing, wishes, mermaid, and unicorn. So that's those. And then she sent me this really cute dragonfly, shaker dragonfly die set there. And this one's super cute too. I think this one's new. I hadn't seen it before. So it makes a little shaker sailboat. So really cute on that one. And this one will be fun to play with, rolled flowers, and it comes with these two designs here, and then this like lacy rolled flower design on the back. So many fun new dies. So this one here makes a shaker pineapples in, I think, 2 different sizes. Yes. So how cute is this? I can't wait to play with this one. Or 3 sizes actually, small, medium, and large shaker pineapples. So cute. And this one, I saw Armin do a project with this, Happy Mail Queen. So I was really happy to see this one in with the dies that she sent. It's one of the banner die sets that she has, and this one has lots of fun accessory pieces. It says happy birthday, cute little balloons. So that one is going to be a lot of fun to cut out. And then I love a cute bow set. So I think this is the new like wavy bow set that she has. And I love that it comes with all the sizes on this one too. Small, medium, and large. Or is it 2 sizes? I think it's 2 sizes. Still really cute. So I love a cute bow. And then this one here is her box die. And this one, I did already watch a tutorial by Bona. She's Live Love Scrap, so she has a tutorial on how to put this little box together. So I can't wait to play with this one too. It looks like a lot of fun. And I was really happy to get this one in. So this is her butterfly mini album. And I've seen a lot of really, really cute ideas using this butterfly mini album. I've seen just the cutest mini albums, and then I believe it's Carol Herlock. She's on her design team. She made like a gift box using this die set, and Mommy and Me Crafts made a card, really cute layered card with it. And then I have here the rainbow bag topper. So another fun die. And then this one here is the barcode little mittens that comes with the stamps and also the little mitten die. And it comes with different little sentiments, baked with love, sugar-coated, handmade. So this is really cute for any edible treats or handmade goodies. So those are the dies, and I have one project to share with you that I was able to create today, and I used these 3 dies on it. I couldn't wait to use this one. I love memorydex cards, and I think this is such a great die because it comes in a basic circle shape. You get all the pieces you need to cut the acetate, the base layer, and I really like that this top piece here, like the frame part of it, is thicker. Sometimes they're really thin, and I really like that this one's like, it looks to be almost like half an inch, at least a quarter of an inch thick. So I really like that thickness on the frame part. And then this these pieces here make a little patriotic hat. So I made a 4th of July project using that, and from this die set here I used the word that says sparkle, and I also had to cut out this really cute star bow because the other little stars here look like they're shooting out, kind of like little fireworks or something. So this one's super cute all put together. And the paper collection I used was Simply Summer by Fancy Pants Designs. So that's another really cute paper collection because it comes with like a summer theme, but also has some really cute patterns in the pattern papers for 4th of July, like perfect. So I love this this plaid pattern paper, and then the star ones. So this is what I created, and I had so much fun. So I made a see-through shaker, memorydex card, and I cut out and paper pieced the little patriotic hat, and here's the word sparkle right here, and that cute little bow. Can you see it? So many cute layers. And I love it for 4th of July, but it would be super cute for a birthday or just anything with all the cute little layering pieces. And I did do some stitching down here with some metallic blue thread. And so that's my little project, you guys. Back here you can see the shaker mix a little bit better. There's a little flag I threw in that I had in my stash. So there you go. What do you think? So that's my little shaker and all of the dies that I received. So I'll be back to share some more projects using the other dies. And if I don't get back on here, I think I will. But if I don't, I hope you have a happy 4th of July holiday. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.